Here we are entering into the living room. Beautiful hardwood floors, full kitchen on the right side with stainless steel appliances. Beautiful backsplash. Microwave. And stainless steel refrigerator. Off here you have the first bedroom with closet space, top storage. Let's go back into the living room here and the kitchen. Here's the bathroom. Beautiful tile work by the shower from floor to the ceiling. Everything's brand new here. This is fully gut renovated. This is the second bedroom on the opposite side of the apartment. Here's a closet in the living room here. Let's check out the third bedroom. The third bedroom. You also have a closet here with top storage as well. Alright, let's check out the backyard. This is a shared yard with access through the side of the building. Alright, so if you have any questions, feel free to call me 347-342-6130. Kevin Hamilton, Online Realty Network.